Hi guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, feel most welcome. My name is Phoebe Monicah, and this channel is all about home cleaning, home organization, and home decor. And if that is your area of interest, please consider hitting that subscribe button, and do not forget to hit the notification button so that you get notified each and every time I post new videos. Guys, today's video is actually, I would like to share with you a steak recipe. Actually, I was supposed to do this video during the day, but I could not. Kazi ilikuwa mob that I could not be able to do the video during the day. And also, I was waiting for my son to at least fall asleep so that I'd be able to talk through the video. Because if you've realized, in most cases, I usually voice over. I rarely talk through the videos, and today I wanted to at least try that. So I was waiting for him to fall asleep ama aenda cheze nje, but none of that happened. So I'm forced to do this video at night. Please bear with me, and you might hear him at the background. Don't mind him. I just continue with the video. So yeah guys, the steak recipe that I'm going to show you is quite simple. It's actually really simple, and the only ingredients that I normally use when doing steak recipes, when cooking steak, that is just salt. Actually, I usually just season it with salt and black pepper, and also olive oil. Yeah, and also olive oil.
What I basically do is first of all rub in olive oil on both sides. Olive oil helps to keep the meat juicy because you don't want a dry steak. And then afterwards, I'll just sprinkle the seasoning, that is salt and black pepper, just enough seasoning, and ensure that I do it on both sides. I'll be cooking the steak on this double-sided skillet because I want it to be well cooked, and another thing, it will help lock in the moisture, which is essential for keeping the meat moist and juicy. Always ensure that the pan is really hot and smoky before you start cooking. I normally let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes on one side, then flip it over, then do the same for the other side too. At most 15 to 20 minutes for both the sides. The goal is to keep turning it after every 4 minutes to ensure both sides are cooked evenly. Remember, I want it well done and also juicy. I also did make vegetable rice, and for this I had done a video on how to prepare vegetable rice. I will leave a card above. Please check it out. If you haven't watched it, kindly do. The moment I finished eating, I was like, why don't I just leave the dishes in the sink, then I'll clean them tomorrow morning. But again, I realized that even if I left them in the sink, I'm still the one who will have to wash them tomorrow morning. So I just had to do them and leave the kitchen clean. And by the way guys, you can try the recipe that I shared with you and let me know how it will turn out in the comment section. I always appreciate your comments and your likes. Please continue doing so, and if you don't follow me on Instagram, please do. I will leave the link to my account in the description box. Kindly check it out and click it so that you can be able to follow me. Let's meet in the next one.